I'm PJ from TreelineUSA.com. It's been a long time since I've been so excited to share with you about a new line of bits that we just picked up not too long ago. We've been selling the saber-tooth line of burrs for many, many years, and they've been wonderful for people wanting a bit to remove bulk material in a hurry. Recently, the manufacturer came to us and told us about an extra fine version of bits that they call the whisper bits. And I kind of scoffed at it at first, thinking, why would somebody want an extra fine version of a roughing bit? And I had them send us some samples, and I have been shocked how well these things work. So in just a minute we'll plug it in and show you. But these bits are made out of carbide, and they're structured as such so that the material filters in and out with these, so they don't plug up very easily. If they do plug up, you can torch them and burn kind of the gunk out of them. But these bits have cut almost as fast as the coarse bits, but without leaving the rough texture behind. So let's come in close and I'll kind of show you how these are used. Alright, the saber-tooth whisper bits are made in several different profiles. They all have an 1/8 inch shank, so that means they'll fit into micromotor tools, they'll fit into Dremel tools, Fordham's, many different tools out there. The 1/8 inch shank is the most common. And then you get some pointed bits here, so if you need to get into the tight corners. You have some ball nose bits and the round bits if you're doing concave areas like bowls and spoons or rounded textures. Then of course you have a couple different cylinder type bits if you needed to kind of use that hard edge for outlining or doing feather texture or fur texture and stuff like that on coarse projects. But like I said before, these bits surprised us. We were surprised how well they cut while still removing a bunch of material quickly, but without leaving the deep scratches. And so I've got the spear bit right here, and these bits are rated from about 4,000 RPM up to 25,000 RPM, and so depending on how the type of wood you're using, how quickly you're trying to move material, what kind of detail you're trying to put in, you can kind of vary the speed a little bit. But notice on this, I've got a dust collector here, it'll kind of suck in some of the dust, but notice on this how quickly the wood comes off. But we'll try to see if the camera will show how smooth it cuts up on the inside. So we'll go ahead and turn this on, and as we're carving with this, there we go. This is a piece of Tupelo, which is quite common for power carvers, people carving duck decoys, birds, fish, those types of projects. But I don't know if you can see just how smooth that cuts. Some of the other saber-tooth burrs are wonderful, but they leave those scratches behind. But we're able to take off wood quite quickly with this and still leave that smooth texture when we're all done. And so this reduces the amount of sanding or cleaning up you have to do. I also wanted to grab a little bit harder material, so here's a piece of maple. We'll do the same thing with this. You notice maple fuzzes just a little bit more, but still, when it's all done, it's a very smooth texture underneath. So these bits have kind of been a combination, because a lot of times you'd use a coarse bit and switch over to a finer bit, but this kind of does both of those in one. So anyway, we've been really impressed with these. We at TreelineUSA.com carry a wide variety of different bits and power carving accessories, but these saber-tooth whisper bits have truly been remarkable. So to try some of these out, visit us at our website at TreelineUSA.com. And if you like this video and like to see more like this, please click subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching.